Instant Robot Programming System IRPS. You wish to weld the smallest batch sizes efficiently and automated? Particularly in steel and metal construction, the programming expenditure for automated welding of small batch sizes is often disproportionately high. Use the IRPS Instant Robot Programming System to create programs for automated welding in a short time. So the automated welding of workpieces in batch size 1 pays off now. We show you the functioning of the IRPS using a hall girder as an example. The operator freely positions the tagged workpiece on the robot working station. Then he starts scanning at the IRPS screen. The scanner, mounted at a linear track, scans the working surface of the robot system and saves the result. The IRPS converts the saved scanner data into a 3D model. From the comparison of the 3D model with the component geometry saved in the IRPS, the welding program is generated automatically. Then the IRPS sends the completely generated program including all welding data to the robot controller. The operator starts welding via a button at the IRPS screen. Now you can see the work steps in real time. The IRPS has many functions and correction possibilities available, so that you can process the generated 3D data of the workpiece at the screen simply and intuitively. Save time and increase your system efficiency by a minimum programming effort. Gain an excellent weld quality and give up extensive reteaching because the IRPS system recognizes the position and the tolerances of the workpiece automatically. Reduce investment costs and minimize setup times, as a clamping device is not needed. Benefit from the advantages of a just-in-time production with a reduced personal and material binding and quick delivery times due to shortened planning times. Employ your personnel flexibly with a minimum of training due to the intuitive operation.